Hello everyone, I am Chaya Dhingda and today I will be teaching mixture and its types. Before starting this topic, I have a question for you all. How do we judge whether milk, ghee, butter, salt, spices, mineral water or juice are pure? Any idea? Let me tell you. According to scientists, pure means that all the constituent particles of that substance are same in their chemical nature. A pure substance consists of a single type of particles. Matter present in our surroundings can be classified as pure substances and mixtures. A mixture is a combination of two or more substances which are not chemically the same and do not chemically react together. For example, when you dissolve some sugar in the water, you get sugar solution. It is because sugar and water are combined together physically. Secondly, when you dissolve carbon dioxide gas in the water, you get carbonated drinks. It is also a mixture because water and carbon dioxide gas are combined together physically. Thirdly, coffee is an example of mixture because coffee and mixed water are mixed together physically. Similarly, air is also a mixture because different gases like nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide gas are mixed together physically. Mixtures are classified into two types: homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. In homogeneous mixture, the composition is uniform throughout the mixture. Particles are evenly distributed in the sample. For example, you have dissolved some salt in water. So can you differentiate particles of salt from that of water? The answer is no. We cannot do that. So we say that salt and water form uniform composition throughout their mass and hence we call them homogeneous mixture. Similarly, air and vinegar are also homogeneous mixture as their composition is same throughout their mass. Many homogeneous mixtures are commonly referred to as solutions. A solution is a mixture of two or more substances in a single phase. The substance in the largest amount is called solvent and the substance in smallest amount is called solute. Homogeneous mixtures are classified as different types based on the solvent and solute. Liquid in liquid solution, solid in liquid and gas in liquid. The example for liquid in liquid is when you dissolve vinegar in water. For solid in liquid is when you dissolve salt in water. And for gas in liquid is soda water. Now coming to heterogeneous mixtures. A heterogeneous mixture is a mixture in which the composition is not uniform throughout the mixture. Each of the separate layer in heterogeneous mixture is known as phase. For example, oil and water and smog. Suspension and colloids are heterogeneous mixture. A suspension is a mixture of large particles. Size of particle in suspension is of the order 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter or larger. In a suspension, solute particles do not dissolve and hence remain suspended throughout solvent. For example, muddy water. Colloids are heterogeneous mixture but appear as homogeneous mixture. For example, milk. Particles are uniformly distributed throughout their solution and its particle cannot be seen because of their small size. So hence, through this video, we learnt about mixture and its types. Thank you.